DFY Suite 4.0. What is IT? DFY Suite 4.0 is the best upgrade of their platform that allows you to get high-quality content syndication for your videos or niche sites without having to do any of the work yourself. How would you like to get page 1 video rankings in 48 hours or less? Did you know there's a little-known secret that video marketers use to get fast page 1 rankings on Google and YouTube? That secret is leveraging the power of video embeds. Yup, getting your video embedded on hundreds of different sites is one of the most powerful syndication strategies you can leverage to dominate. Number 1. Get free, targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of our high-quality, done-for-you, social syndication system. You can dominate local search for any language and any location worldwide with our new DFY Google Map embedding and GMB citations. 100% done-for-you syndication and ranking system for you and your clients. Submit any URL, no software to download or learn, no captchas or proxies to deal with. Zero social account creation required on your part. Hundreds of social, wiki and Web 2.0 links built for you. New in 4.0, done for you Google Maps embedding so you can dominate local maps search. New in 4.0, done for you GMB citations so you can rank you in Google's 3-pack. New in 4.0, done for you Twitch video embeds to dominate one of the fastest growing live streaming platforms. 4.0 bonus, agency access included for a very limited time. Plus you still get all of our 3.0 features like DFY video embeds and much more. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Although these third-party software applications can be very effective and powerful, it requires a lot of time and effort on your part to make it work. That's why we decided to simplify the entire social syndication arena into a 3-step process. With our new platform, all you have to do is: Step 1. Log in to our web-based portal. Step 2. Submit your keywords and URL. Step 3. Hit submit. Additional steps available to you in version 4.0. New 4.0 Option 1. Submit your Twitch video URLs to get even more video rankings and traffic. New 4.0 Option 2. Submit your Google Maps embed code to skyrocket your Maps rankings. New 4.0 Option 3. Submit your Google My Business information to get high-quality citations to dominate Google's 3-pack. New 4.0 Option 4. Schedule your campaigns to start in the future and drip feed up to 90 days. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.